Okay, with Stegosuite, you can hide a secret message or a text file in a picture. To install it, go to a terminal, type sudo apt install stegosuite-y. Okay, when that's done, you can close that, open Stegosuite, when you first start out, we have to select our file that we want to hide items in. I'm going to use cat1.jpg. Then I can type in a secret message. Then I can right-click in Embedded Files area and select Add File. Choose my file. Then I can also enter a password. And then click Embed. Okay, the new file is cat1embed. And you can see there's nothing wrong with the picture. This is an original looking picture. You can't tell anything's hidden in it. So I'll delete my original text file. Go into Stegosuite, click File, Open. Choose the cat1 embed. Enter the password. Then click Extract. And I can read the secret message now. My text file has been unencrypted and placed in the folder. So here's my text file. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.